You don't usually see a token that combines weekly supply burns with a full-on game-style staking system, so I looked into how Milk Mocha actually works. So first, let's talk about the idea behind Hugs. At its core, this token is centered around the Milk and Mocha character universe. If you aren't familiar, Milk and Mocha is already a well-known cute character brand, and this project is taking that existing universe and turning it into a crypto-based ecosystem. So, what's interesting here is that while the branding is very friendly and approachable, the mechanics behind the token are actually pretty serious. Hugs combines that cute aesthetic with deflationary token mechanics and real utility. That means the supply is designed to decrease over time, while the token itself is actually meant to be used within the ecosystem. When you look at the bigger picture, everything points to a growing ecosystem. They're not just launching the token and calling it a day. The project is clearly aiming for games, NFTs, and staking features that all tie back into the Milk and Mocha universe. Next, let's break down the presale, because this is one of the most important parts of the project. Instead of doing one big presale, Hugs uses a weekly presale system that goes through 40 different stages. Each week has a fixed number of tokens available, and if that week sells out early, the system automatically moves on to the next stage. But here's the key part. If a week does not sell out, any remaining tokens from that stage are permanently burned. That means those tokens are completely removed from the total supply forever. These burns aren't just promises either. They're visible on the blockchain, so anyone can verify them. As you can see, there are over 755 million tokens burned. This setup rewards early participation and naturally reduces supply over time, which can be important for long-term token economics. Now, let's talk about staking, because this is where things get a bit more creative. Staking Hugs isn't just a simple page where you lock tokens and forget about it. Instead, it's designed like a farm building simulation. When users stake their Hugs tokens, they interact with a game-like interface. You can upgrade different structures, manage your farm, and you can actively collect yield. It turns staking into something you actually check on and engage with. Rewards are generated daily or at set intervals, and they're instantly claimable. This design encourages users to come back regularly, instead of treating staking as a completely passive activity. Overall, it feels more like playing a casual game than managing a traditional staking dashboard. And then finally, let's look at the NFTs and future content. The project plans to release NFTs inspired directly by Milk and Mocha characters, staying consistent with the overall theme. These NFTs aren't just collectibles. They plan to be integrated into mini-games or metaverse-style areas as the ecosystem actually expands. Certain NFTs or holding $Hugs tokens is expected to unlock extra features, bonuses, or access to new content. So, when you look at the roadmap, it's very clear that interactive experiences are a major focus. So, the long-term vision isn't just a token, it's a playable, growable digital universe built around Milk and Mocha. And as I said just before, this is the roadmap for you to have a look. The team highlights high ROI potential, along with audit and KYC claims. It's also very important to verify everything yourselves and understand the risks involved. If you want to see how the burns and staking farm look in real time, open the site and explore the pre-sale and farming panels yourselves.